The 2025 Suzuki GSX-R1000 continues the legacy of one of the most iconic superbikes in the world, delivering a thrilling combination of cutting-edge technology, refined engineering, and raw performance, with its roots tracing back decades in both professional racing and street performance. The latest GSX-R1000 cements its position as a top contender in the liter bike segment, for motorcycle enthusiasts and adrenaline seekers alike. This machine offers an exhilarating experience on both track and road. At the heart of the 2025 GSX-R1000 lies a 999.8cc inline-4 engine that has been finely tuned for maximum output, smooth power delivery, and exceptional throttle response. It employs a variable valve timing system, Senior BVT, allowing for optimal valve overlap throughout the rev range, which not only enhances low-end torque but also preserves high rev horsepower. The engine produces around 202 horsepower, giving riders an explosive yet controllable ride. Engineers have refined the combustion process, reduced internal friction, and improved air intake efficiency to meet the latest emission standards without compromising performance. The bike's chassis is just as impressive as its engine. It features a lightweight aluminum twin-spar frame that provides outstanding rigidity and stability, making it highly agile through corners. The balance between stiffness and flexibility ensures precise handling, whether tackling tight bands or high-speed straights. The 2025 model benefits from an updated Showa balance-free front fork, BFF, and a rear balance-free rear cushion, BFRC, light shock, both of which are fully adjustable and designed for superior feedback and control. This suspension setup absorbs bumps with ease while keeping the bike planted during aggressive riding. Technology plays a central role in the GSX-R1000's appeal. It boasts a comprehensive electronics suite, including a 6-axis inertial measurement unit, that informs multiple systems such as the 10-level traction control, launch control, engine braking control, and cornering ABS. These systems work in harmony to enhance rider confidence and safety without interfering with the thrill of riding. The quick shifter and auto blipper allow seamless gear changes both up and down the gearbox, reducing the need for clutch engagement and keeping the bike stable under hard acceleration or braking. The bike's bodywork has been subtly redesigned for 2025 to improve aerodynamics and cooling. Winglets integrated into the fairing add downforce at higher speeds, enhancing stability and reducing front-end lift. The sharper, more aggressive styling not only looks modern but also slices through